I was just very happy that you gave me a chance.
Oh, they're both crying. Oh, ew. Ew. Oh my god, ew. Why do you fucking cry like that? Oh my god, ew.
I'm glad you gave me a chance.
Oh, it is kind of okay. Yeah, I hate when people ugly cry though, right? It's so gross. Like, making weird noises and shit. That's probably the mean. I would never say that to someone's face, but it's the best way to shut down someone crying. Oh god. Oh, that's a new one I kind of want to get started. Actually, no, because you're gonna use it against me in chat. You're gonna use it against me. One of my favorite things to do, and so close friends of mine will know I do this. When this is, you're gonna sit there, you're gonna hear this, and you're gonna go, Wubby, there's no joke. You're just being disrespectful. It doesn't really work in text. You kind of have to do it to somebody. But when somebody sneezes, instead of saying bless you, just go, ugh, ew. Anytime anyone sneezes, it happens so much in Discord. Just those, ew. It's so mean. They never know. Yeah, could you not? Exactly. People saying seahorses, good one. Guys, go live. So yeah, try it out. It works. Don't use it on me, though. Oh, yeah, oh, God. Carlos and Ash just brought up one. Wow, they both said it. This is how you know I've pissed him off with it. You go, stop. Oh, man. Woo. That's a strong one. Stop. Oh. Okay. Ham is adding me saying, you literally said fuck you to me sneezing once. Thank you, D-Pipes, for the 5.
Go, bro.